Hello, today I'd like to share one of my portfolio projects. It's called TinyRedirects, and really it's just a very simple utility for aliasing to a sort of a short alias to some sort of web server or IP address. I have packaged it as an executable previously, but I'm just going to run the main Python script currently. You can see here it's going to start up a little bottle server, and then after it starts up that server, we should see a little window pop here. Here we go, we got a Chrome window. I'll just kind of adjust that slightly here so it's fitting inside. And so this is the tiny redirect, and basically the idea is that you're going to basically do r/, and this is the alias to whatever you want. So in this case, you can see I have GitHub for my GitHub page, alias to GH. I have Reddit to R, and then I have my home router, which this is actually one of the reasons why I created this, alias to RT. So I had several different servers. I had like a Grafana server and a Proxmox server and a router, and they all had these different IP addresses, and I didn't really want to have to keep track of them, and I didn't want to have to do some sort of like local DNS or anything like that. So I just decided to go ahead and create this little alias